Twin Busch, Germany. Your competent partner for lifting platforms and vehicle garage equipment with 11 branches in 7 countries.
Today we will show you how to set up your TW X-400 tire bead breaker from Twin Busch. Your TW X-400 tire bead breaker is supplied in a single package. The dimensions are width 122 centimeters, height 77, and depth 107 centimeters, weight 120 kilograms. First, open the metal tabs on the lid of the transport box. Then you can remove the lid and open the flaps on the sides. Remove the film. The tire bead breaker arm and the cylinder are secured with a cable tie. Remove these. The tire bead breaker is also secured to the base of the pallet with 2 screws. Remove these too. You can then lift the tire bead breaker off the pallet. The scope of delivery includes the tire bead breaker with bead breaker arm, a cylinder, a cover plate, and a rim protection rubber, a bolt with locking pins, and 4 heavy-duty anchors. Remove the springs for the bead breaker arm and place them within reach. The bead breaker arm can now be positioned. Slide it into the tire bead breaker and secure the arm using the socket screws with springs. The spring is inserted under the arm. Once you have inserted both bolts with springs and nuts, turn your attention to the bolt at the front. Only push the bolt in so far that you can still place the cylinder in the holder between the bead breaker arm. Now place the cylinder and push the bolt through. This is then secured at both ends with the locking pins. This is followed by the connection to the bead breaker arm. Remove the circlip and take out the bolt. The cylinder is then secured by the bolt with the forcing arm. Then replace the circlip. Now connect the compressed air lines. The shorter hose is inserted at the bottom, the longer one at the top end of the cylinder. Attach the rim protector and screw the cover plate to the tire bead breaker. And your TW X-400 is now ready for use. We will now show you the optional accessories for your TW X-400. Your TW X-400-A10 storage box is optimized for the TW X-400 tire bead breaker and is supplied in a single package. To insert the storage box, loosen the 2 screws on the TW X-400 slightly. You can mount the storage box on the left or right side of the TW X-400. Tighten the screws. Your TW X-400-A10 storage box is now ready for use. Your TW X-400-A7 auxiliary arm is optimized for the TW X-400 tire bead breaker and is supplied in a single package. First, remove the already mounted auxiliary plate from the TW X-400. Then attach the auxiliary arm and fix it with the supplied screws. As shown here, ensure that the return spring of the auxiliary arm is fitted to the screw at the top. Tighten all screws. Your TW X-400-A10 auxiliary arm is now ready for use. Your TW X-400-A10 roller table is optimized for the TW X-400 Tyre bead breaker and is supplied in a single package. Remove the film and cable ties. The scope of delivery includes 8 connecting screws and 8 heavy-duty anchors. Position the roller table legs and insert 2 screws into each leg. Once you have inserted all the screws, screw them tight. You can adjust the height of the table to your individual requirements using the 2 screws on the outside. Your TW X-400-A10 roller table is fully assembled and can now be used.
Visit us in one of our branches. With 11 branches in 7 countries, also in your area. We offer advice and product demonstrations in our showrooms, as well as sales and technical service on site with our service fleet. Warehouse logistics with a large stock of products available for immediate delivery. Spare parts and repair service. Assembly videos with step-by-step instructions, as well as constant new and further developments of our products. Everything from a single source, from lifts to tire changers and tire balancers. Awarded 9 times as the best brand. Twin Busch, your competent automotive garage supplier.